Welcome to my meditation channel, and today we're going to be looking at what constitutes good posture in meditation. To help me, I'm inviting my friend Stephanie to come in and we'll be demonstrating with her. So here's Stephanie in her meditation posture. Notice she's got a lot of suppleness in her body, so she can sit naturally on the floor. This takes a long time to get into, particularly if you're stiff in your body. Notice just some features about her posture at the moment. Notice that her hip, and I'll just ask her to move her arm. Notice her hip is pretty much in line with the leg. The leg is actually very slightly elevated compared to the hip, and as a result of that you can see there's some stiffness, some flatness in the lower spine. Stephanie also complains about pain in the tops of her thighs. Holding your posture leads to muscle fatigue, which leads to a collapse in your meditation. And so we're looking today at how you can perfect your posture so that you can sustain a longer, stronger meditation practice. So what we're going to do is to elevate the hip, Stephanie's hip, higher than the knee. And to do that, first of all, we're going to employ something she uses from time to time just to help her meditation. And that's just a roll of cloth. This has the effect straight away of being able to roll the back forward, the pelvis forward. What happens to the pain in the tops of your thighs?
It decreases.
It decreases, right, yeah. And you can actually see that the hip, and I'll just show that the level of the hip in relation to the knee has changed slightly. The hip is now slightly higher than the knee. The knee is actually closer to the ground. This is not quite good enough because with a little bit of time, maybe 20 minutes, half an hour, the pain will build up in the tops of the thighs, and this would lead to a collapse in posture, a collapse in the meditation. So we need to change this. Let's try putting this under. And again, there's a further rolling out of the lower spine, and the hips been elevated here. It's now clearly higher than the knee. How does the tops of the thighs feel?
Yeah, it's better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now each person has their own particular body mechanics, and so pain may manifest in lots of different ways. It can be in the lower back, it can be in the hips, at the sides here, the thighs, pain in the knees, which if you remember, our only rule of meditation is to move your legs if you feel pain in the knees. Adjusting your posture by elevating your hips to the point where you can sit comfortably and for a prolonged period of time is the solution to being able to build a sustainable meditation practice. The more meditation you do, and possibly if you incorporate some yoga postures into your meditation, then basically you will be able to build more suppleness and to be able to elevate the length of time and decrease the possibility of pain. Going back to Stephanie's posture, you can see how rounded her back is now. There's forward rolling of the hips. The back and the upper back actually rolls out and opening up the chest. And to complete the meditation, we're going to adjust Stephanie's chin to be able to create what's called a chin alignment, so that there's this central axis running through the body. And so as Stephanie moves into chin alignment, just a little bit more. Excellent. You can see that this is now becoming a very strong meditation posture. Look at the arch of the back there. The hips are moving forward there. The back's open, leading to an open chest. The shoulders are rolled out, leaving an open chest. The central axis through the body. This is a powerful meditation. How do you feel sitting in that posture?
Yeah, very good.
And the pain in the upper thighs?
Gone. Good.
Pleased to hear it. So introducing Gallagher.
Hello.
And as you can see, Gallagher is sitting on the floor, unassisted by any cushions. The first thing you want to note is the knee is above the hip, and you can see the roundedness of Gallagher's spine. The head's jutting forward, and the chest is collapsing forward a little bit. How does that meditation feel to you?
It feels really awkward and uncomfortable.
Okay.
I don't feel straight I feel like I'm slumping forward.
And is there any pain in your body at the moment?
My lower back hurts.
Okay. What about the knees?
If I sat here for a little longer, they would start to hurt.
Mm-hmm. And how long could you meditate like this?
No, not very long, about 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay, cool. So let's adjust your posture and see what transpires.
Sure.
So here we have Gallagher, who's now positioned himself on his cushions. The cushions are firm, and straight away you see the hip has been elevated above the knee. The knee is actually resting on the floor. His hands are sitting lightly on top of his knee. Straight away we see the lower spine rolling forward, the hips rolling forward I should say, and this curve coming into his spine. The back is straight, the chest opens up, and Gallagher's already adopted a chin alignment, allowing a strong meditation posture to take place. Noticing once again the hips well above the knees. He's now sitting comfortably. So let's ask Gallagher for his feedback on how he's experiencing this meditation.
So this position feels like I'm actually straight. I'm comfortable, relaxed, sitting on the solid base of my hips. I could sit here for an hour without moving. I wouldn't have a problem with my knees or hips. And my back would be straight and therefore self-supporting.
Excellent. So you can see how integral hip alignment with the knee is to strong meditation. If you have any stiffness in your body, the fix is to elevate your hip above your knee, to allow your spine to adjust, to your hips to roll forward, and you to sit aligned on your spine rather than allowing the muscles to take all the tension and create all the work for your body. It's just not going to survive. Now, if you found this video useful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below, along with the notification bell. Once again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips, techniques and context to help you achieve more out of your meditations.